back, everybody. I'm glad you're here. Today I'm gonna share some of my favorite go-to, super easy, super simple fall hairstyles. I'm really excited for the fall season. I just want to let you guys know I'll be making videos every single Saturday. Look out for those. Please hit the subscribe button down below. Let's get started. So the first style you want to do is a messy side braid. So you can begin by braiding on one side of your head, just pulling a section together and doing a generic braid. And secure an elastic at the end of that, and then grab the rest of your hair in the back of your head and throw it into a messy bun. And then you just want to wrap that braid that you just created around the messy bun and secure it with some bobby pins. And make sure to tuck in any bumps or flyaways. The second style is a messy fishtail braids on both sides. So you want to begin by parting your hair and then doing another generic braid in the front section of one side of your hair, and then once you get to the base of your head, you want to start fishtailing the rest of the way down. And there's many tutorials out there on how to fishtail braid. You basically just want to pull sections from the middle and continue pulling them out to the sides. And then once you are completed with that look, you can just feather the braid out and pull those sections to make it a larger braid. And then you want to do the same thing on the other side of your head, and again just fishtailing once you get to the base and secure it with an elastic. It gives you this really cute look. The third style is a fishtail side braid. So this is more of a fishtail look rather than actually doing the fishtail braid. But you want to pull two sections to the back of your head and then actually flip that section of hair inside out and then pull it down. And then you just want to continue pulling sections back and flipping them inside out once you secure an elastic. And then eventually it will just start looking similar to a fishtail braid, but requires a little bit less effort than actually creating a fishtail braid. This is the final look. It's really pretty, it's really simple, and it's really elegant. So the fourth style is a half hair bun. So this one is really easy to do. All you want to do is pull the hair back from the underneath your ears and actually twist those sections as you're pulling them back, which I will show you in the next take. So as you see here, we're just beginning to twist those hair sections that were pulled back, and this just adds some dynamic style to this hairstyle. And then once you have those twisted sections pulled back, you can just throw it back into a messy bun, and it gives you this really cute, delicate, intricate look. So the fifth style is a braided ponytail. So what you want to begin to do is just grab all of your hair, or you can begin with leaving out this section, which I just actually pulled out a section of hair on one side, as you can see right here, and then gather the rest of your hair, throw it back in a ponytail, and then begin braiding another generic braid on the section of hair that you have pulled out, and then secure that with an elastic, just as we did before, and just wrap that braid around your ponytail. So very similar to the braided bun, just a little bit of a different look. And that is the final product. Thank you guys so much for watching. Boo Boo wanted to say goodbye. Aw, she just wants to get down. Thank you so much for watching. I will be making videos every single Saturday. I hope you have a lovely weekend, and